होता है.
Okay,
ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास.
first we have a glass. Cool.
सर उसकी एक साइड पे हम कोटिंग कर देते हैं कोई शाइनी सब्सटेंस की, लाइक मोस्टली सिल्वर कलर का पेंट होता है.
So then we have this silver color.
And this will be a mirror, but for practical usage हम इसके पीछे सर एक मतलब कपड़ा लगा देते हैं, क्या मतलब कुछ शीट लगा देते हैं ताकि ये सिल्वर कलर का पेंट उतरे ना.
Okay, so again means we have something else behind this, right? Some kind of paint.
Yes sir. Mostly red color का होता है. Yes sir.
Okay. Cool. So effectively, like we have this glass of some thickness, then we have silver, ammonium nitrate, people are saying, okay, and then in the end we have this paint. So why do we use this paint?
सर ताकि मतलब विद टाइम अगर सिल्वर कलर का वो जो पेंट है वो रिमूव ना उतरे ना उससे, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए.
Yeah, means to avoid corrosion, right? Means
Yes,
like we can say to avoid oxidation or prevent metal from oxidizing, right? Silver like gets oxidized really easily. Means you guys have seen those jewelries, right?
Black हो जाता है silver.
They get blackish, right?
Yes sir.
So effectively, but yes, means with time actually it happens. Means it doesn't matter how we put the pen, but with time actually it happens that this silver is removed from it and we start seeing those spots in the mirror, right?
Yes sir.
Cool. Now, so when light comes, from which part of the mirror we get a reflection, or should I say more reflection? There are three parts, right? There are three parts. So which part reflects the light more? So when light comes like this, right, there is obviously some reflection from the top, right? Then some of the light goes on to this, then gets reflected from this, and then it comes out, right? Means in fact we see like a lot many reflection inside it, right? We talked about this earlier, but we get maximum reflection from silver. Right? So means I guess you guys know this, right? How many images will we see? Like if means does this thickness of glass plays any role? So when we are like standing in front of it, can I say, okay, I should see one image directly from the reflection from the top surface? But because the amount of reflection from the top surface is so low, so that actually means I don't see the image, right? Then what do I see? I see the image because of the reflected rays which are reflected from the silver surface, right? But if the light is bright enough, then I should be able to see the image corresponding to the reflection from the top surface, right? Yeah, there can be more number of images also, Satvik, right? If the light is bright, then we will see like we can see multiple number of images. I guess we discussed it, right? Means this was the question in ioqjs. So last year, means Vedant told me this in the camp. It was a question based on it. Okay, so effectively, what do we say? We actually neglect the thickness of glass, and most of the time when we draw plane mirror, we actually draw this on, right? So which part of mirror is this? So like we only represent the silver part of it. We like neglect the thickness of glass. Okay. And when we put this shading on the back, it means this side has the paint. Okay. And on this side, we have silver coating, right? Shiny surface. Very good. So effectively, we will get a reflection or good reflection only if light is being incident on the shiny surface. Okay. Satvik, actually glass is pretty much transparent to visible light. And bahut mota means like it should be like very, really thick to decrease the intensity of light. Normal glass is like really transparent, but yeah, means if you have impurities in the glass, okay, if it's not perfectly frozen, so then there would be scattering of light in between. Can you see if you just break the glass, right? If someone just break the glass, then it doesn't remain transparent any longer. Yeah, so that happens because of don't do that on purpose, Prabhudatta, right? But yeah, means like okay, guys, don't go on tangential trajectories, right? Okay, so moving on. So guys, we will obviously take the consideration of the glass slab once we are done with the reflection. Okay, we can do like a few questions based on it. Till then, we will assume that the thickness is small and we are only dealing with the silver surface. Okay. Now I can ask a few more questions, but I don't want to.